content is not my own, the song is not my own. Now borrow post I go carry. Now so my business, but they go carry that song. This video is monetized. Now they come give me red carpet. So what am I going to do here is just to remove it. I not get stressed. I will first check. Let's welcome back again to another video. Are you dealing with a copyright claim like this one you can see on my video? I did this video purposely so I can be able to show you how you can be able to remove copyright. So in this tutorial, I will guide you through process of removing your copyright claim so that your video can be monetized again, whether it is through depot or through claiming it or replacing the copyright content. Yes, this is going to show you and resolve your copyright issue in a quick way. This is the option available in your studio to resolve this issue quickly and effectively. If you like this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this on YouTube Studio. So now guys, you guys know that you have a copyright. One thing you need to do is to go to your dashboard. In dashboard, you will see a message like this that your video cannot be monetized, but you don't know, you're like kind of, whoa, what can I do? Yes, solution is here. That is why this channel is giving you information that will help you and solve you out of the stress. So let's go inside and check the view. Now you have a view option here. Click the view option and boom, oh my god, my video is not eligible for monetization. What can I do? What is the problem? And all this stress. So now don't worry, this video cover you up. You don't need to be worried. I am going to take you through. I did this video purposely just for you. Is inclusive just for you, so you will know how to go about it. This process is very easiest process that can help you how to check for your copyright claim in your YouTube Studio, the different method for you to be able to remove and resolve this copyright claim, this tip to avoid copyright claim in the future of your video. In case you are someone who loves to show other people content, please leave it, because this one I put someone's song there purposely for me to take you through. So now check the selection. Yes, this is what you can do now. Content use. Yahweh Sabaoth. Yes, that is the song which is the content that has a copyright issue. Now you have 4 options is available inside your YouTube Studio. Anytime that you have a copyright claim, YouTube will give you a very good suggestion, removing the claimed song while keeping other sounds such as speed or mute all the sound. That is the option number 1. Option number 2 is replacing the song. Pick an audio from the YouTube Studio. Yes, for the people who don't know that they can be able to pick a video or a sound from the YouTube Studio to replace the copyright claim audio and resolve your issue. Are you there? Yes, sir. Number 3 is for you to trim out. And yes, about this trimming, I have already done a video about it, that you can trim your video and just select the portion of place that you want. Now this is the portion of the place that you have a copyright claim. You can trim it, cut it out, both sides, the video and the audio of the claimed, and then it will give you those removing the claim. It will remove the claim. Another one, which is number 4, is debut. Debut is if you know, yes, if you know, say that content is your own content and everything is yours. So you have right to debut. But now, I don't have content is not my own. The song is not my own. Now borrow post I go carry. Now so my busy body go carry that song. Yahweh Sabaoth. So I go carry that song just for you guys for me to do this tutorial. Yes, let me confess. For me to do this tutorial, not be small thing. So now what I want to do, I need to replace the song. So I will click replace the song, continue. Now I will go inside the place direct. You will see the place here. Did you see the place where the problem is? And you guys can see this is the second channel which I am using example of. So this is the song here. This video is monetized. Now they can't give me red carpet. So what am I going to do here is just to remove it. I not get stressed. I will first check, and then so now I will just add, depend on this kind of song, as you guys can hear before. Find a good song if you love, and then click save. Now click save again, and now we are waiting for replacement. Now yes, your video editing is in process. Now this place is going to be edit and is going to be in process. So at this moment that you just need to go back and come back later or click it again. While you go back to your content, when you go back to your content, you will see that your video is in process. So we need to wait. Now I have 2 copyright claims. So those 2 copyright claims, I have already done that, and I will just wait. The process will take time for this to be complete. In this way, your video will be monetized and it will turn green. This video is being monetized. It will show here this video is being monetized. But if your video still have copyright or you have plenty copyright, after the first process, you are going to do the second process. Now you can see that there are 2 copyrights here, right? Good. Those 2 copyrights, I am going to do the first one and do the second one. So yes, that is the best way and the good solution that you can be able to rectify this your video cannot be monetized issue due to the copyright claim. Yes, and this video cannot be a copyright strike, and it also does not affect your channel, so you don't have any issue to worry about. Okay, what you need to do is just to do here, review the option, and then you go inside and bam, they will give you the solution, so you don't need to be afraid. So now let's wait again until this place gets solved. Okay, at this moment you watch the video till this place. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you. This also option cover you everything. Yes, please don't hesitate, like, share, comment for more YouTube tips like this and tricks. Thank you so much and God bless you guys. See you again in my next video, and bye for now.